Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. And in today's video, I will show you how to change the subtitle language on Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app. And of course, you should have an account. And after that, you have to click on play. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called audio and subtitles. You have to just click on it. And as you can see, you will find here all the subtitles languages. You can choose, for example, Arabic, and like that, the subtitle of this movie will be on Arabic. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.